Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is just a quick update to show you what we've been doing for the past few weeks. So first of all, you may recognize this map. We're actually getting into map creation. This also includes like dynamically loading maps from Black and White 1 and 2. Like first of all, we focus on Black and White 1 maps, but we will continue to work with Black and White 2 maps later on. This is for testing purposes because we actually know these maps quite well. We know how big trees should be, how far objects are apart, and stuff like that. But yeah, you see, I made this little scene. It does its job, like it's just for scale comparison, not so much for visualization, you know? So yeah. So the next thing we're talking about is actually AI. So I created the basic framework for AI handling as well as this little cutie pie. So actually found a woman that does everything I want for me. She's kinda shy and doesn't make any sounds. But yeah, it's working, and if we start a game, the first thing the game does actually scanning all the trees and stuff like that. And you know that she actually knows where the trees are. So this actually works. She would get an X once she arrives. She chops down the tree, and then weird things happen because now we are in a state that is actually not defined. So she does this little like pirouette thing and goes away, and yeah, it works. We have to improve it obviously, but it works. So, and the last thing we're talking about is I actually took a little break from all the AI stuff because that is actually quite like tiring at some point because it involves some calculations and you don't see that results. And I decided to make this little dragon. I woke up one day and I decided, oh, I really want to make a dragon. And it would be perfect for the game. I mean, it isn't in the original games, but I mean, who doesn't love dragons, right? So you can control this little fella. Will be possible with the brain control miracles that I already made a video about. Like, you can wander around. I still need to tweak that sliding. I mean, it plays the walking animation, right? But it's like little, like, sliding around. You can actually stomp. There are some particles missing and the animation isn't that great. You can roar. There are still some sound effects that are missing. You can actually breathe fire. It actually makes some sound effects, but like it's really rudimentary. But I really like the flames, and you can actually bite. So, but a dragon obviously has wings, and if we press space, we actually can fly, and we can fly around, and we can actually, like we can't bite, roar, and stomp while in the air, but we can shoot fireballs. Like if we make our fire breathe thing, we actually shoot little fireballs, and we can fly around the map, and we just can destroy everything. And yeah, you can obviously land, and yeah, that's what I've been doing, or we have been doing. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!